Okay, hello friends, welcome to Protopal where you can learn everything about software and its development. Now, what we have to do? We got an error while this data is pa- uh, while we put this data here. Okay, so we have to solve that problem. Okay, we have to solve that problem. So to solve that problem we created in the previous video a function where we can directly convert our data. Okay, so this is that function. Okay, so I just this is not a function, but we just created that as a function. Okay, so we create here a function name as what we have what name we can give to it. Okay, what name we can give it it will fetching our data. It will creating data conversion, convert data, uh, data conversion. Okay, so convert data, we call it as a convert data function, which can convert our data into the required format. So I just copy. You have this you have this code, if you follow my tutorials. Okay, okay, so now what is the problem? There is no problem, but there is a problem. Okay, now all things are to be stated. Yes, now everything is going to be fine. Okay, okay, so we just copy that everything from here to in this function. Okay, so for that give we have to give this. Okay, we have to give here in this data. See here, we just have a variable of data which is directly splitting. Okay, so we just giving it here. mm, we can directly give it here. Okay, so we just create a data equal to this. Okay, so inside this data the string will given to here. Okay, after giving that string, okay, it will be directly set to our this. We can do this here. Okay, data is equal to here. So our required string will be converted and that will be directly replaced with old string. Okay, so I just remove this printing because it will print lot more things into the console. Okay, okay, so before calling this function which is using this data, so before calling this function we have to call this function. Okay, so where this function is called, this function is called here, so we call it here. Okay, that's it. Okay, I just wanted to refresh our page. Before refreshing we just need to read the server, run the server, sorry, and go to the Chrome, and go to the Chrome where you see this is the previous error. Okay, I just refresh it and then also we got an error. Okay, we just see what is that error. Is there any error? Okay, there is a lot more errors, so we just have to see what the error is. List index out of range, it's saying list index out of range for legend of I. For the legend of I, list index is out of range. Okay, it is big. It is happening because this having the three list items. So here is the this for loop is going to run for the 3 times. Okay, but we have three here, three legends. No, we just have two legends. It's legend. It required only legends now. Okay, so here we just put one legend, one more legend. Okay, ct3. Okay, I just save it. And again going to refresh our page, and again we got an error. Again we got an same error where it will saying that same thing. Okay, I will solve this error in front of you, so then don't worry. So it also says showing that line color. Sorry, it's my mistake. We just put here yellow. Okay, so no other parameters having two colors. No. Okay, go to the Chrome, and see they're refreshing it. Now then also we have problem. What is happening? We getting lot of problems. So we just solve it. We don't line opacity. Sorry, man, I just saw it, but I think it is working. I think it is nothing to do about that. Sorry, man. Okay, just refresh it, and now it is going to be happening something. Yes, our what we want is printed here. See here, see what we want, 3 lines. That those 3 lines are printed here. I again put the data in front of you. Okay, so I just put here 1 3 and 2. Okay, I don't. Okay, that see here, as I show you what how we can pass the data here. Okay, with spacing. Okay, this is changing now. This is the data where which we are getting here. I just wanted to show you here how what data we are getting here. So just click F12 or click in inspect and go to the go to the network here and just refresh, and you get this thing. Okay, just go click here into the plotly, and scroll down. Here you see what the data you have inserted here. So 135252 and 631. So our first line is 1 2 and 6. So first line is 1 2 and 6. Okay, second line is for 3 5 and 3. Okay, second line for 3 5 and 3. Okay, and the third line is for 5 2 and 1. So third line is 5 2 and 1. So that's it. This is the way where we use our data function, that data conversion function, which will convert our data into our required format. Okay, so you just learn how to solve the problems into the plotly, and how you can able to do the work yourself. Okay, so this is the very important function into the plotly, where we can just parsing our data into the required format. Okay, so this is that's it for this video. If you want to if you want your formatted data, means if you don't want data like this. Okay, I just show you 1 2 and 3 or okay, if you don't wanted to pass data like this. Okay, if you don't wanted to pass data like this, if you wanted to pass uh, data like this. Okay, it is your choice. It is your choice. So to passing the data if it is your choice to pass the data with this format, or this format we are passing into the this format, so we converted into the this format. Okay, here is a comma, so don't okay. Okay, if you want to pass this format also, you can pass this format also, but this graph want the data into the this format. Okay, after all, so it is your choice to what you have to do. Okay, that's it for this video, and thanks for watching, and be connected.